Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this yummy delicious Nigerian pancake. There are different ways you can make your Nigerian pancake. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one way you can make your own Nigerian pancake, a very spicy, yummy pancake. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you will always get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment for me in the comment section. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this beautiful family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your love. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So, guys, here is my empty bowl. I'll be adding in 1 cup of flour. And now I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can go in with more or less sugar. And then I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I'll go in with some salt now. Then I'm going to mix this. I'll be adding in 1 egg. I'll be breaking in 1 egg into this flour mixture. I'll add in 1 cup of milk. So what I did was that I added 3 tablespoons of powdered milk and I dissolved it with a cup of water. I will go in now with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use melted butter if that's what you have. I did not have that patience to start melting my butter because this was a sharp dinner. I had this for dinner, by the way. So I'll just add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I'll be adding in my pepper and my onions. So we are making a spicy pancake. And then I'm just going to give this a very good mix. I'll go in with a drop of vanilla essence. and then I'm going to mix everything together. So I'll go in with my olive oil. I'm using olive oil to fry this pancake. So I'm just going to brush it. I'll be going in with my pancake batter now. Once the up starts to bubble, you know that your pancake is ready to be flipped to the other side. So now we are going to flip the pancake to the other side. So guys, I will take this one out now, and then I will continue the process until I've exhausted my pancake batter. And guys, this is what we have. Our pancake is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, okay? And leave your comments for me in the comment section. See how well cooked the inside is, and this pancake came out so yummy, like it was very delicious. I had this with a cup of tea, and this is what I had for dinner. I hope you will try now the recipe. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.